Danger ahead. Hurricane Milton is barreling toward us. If an evacuation order is issued, will you know where to go? It's crucial to know your evacuation zone ahead of time. Don't wait until the last minute. The Florida Division of Emergency Management has a super easy tool. Just type in your address and find your evacuation zone. You can also check individual maps for each county. Visit floridadisaster.org and click on Know Your Zone. It could save your life. Storm surge can flood the Tampa Bay region fast. Don't risk it. Share this info with your friends and family. Be prepared and stay safe. Hurricane Milton is no joke. Know your zone and be ready to evacuate. Like and subscribe for more safety tips.